Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so for Bitcoin, let me just check here. Well, soon enough, I will be able to invalidate some counts because I still have this potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the light blue. Let me put it back here, otherwise it's misleading. I also have another count, the dark blue, so still 1, 2. All this was a diagonal third wave. This is the fourth, and now we managed to do a fifth wave. It did reach a little bit higher than the 0.382 fib extension when I take the wave 1 and 3 combine and I do the extension to the end of the fourth wave, and that could be another possible count. So if that is the case, all this it will be counted as a bigger wave 1, and now this could be an A, B, C for a possible wave 2. If that does make sense. That's it into the dark blue count. Now I do have another count, right? So I have 5 way up, and this would be an A overshooting wave B and a C, and this would be a wave 2 because all this would complete a bigger wave 1. Okay, so we have those two scenarios now, and I think now I can start maybe to remove some stuff. I think this one I don't need it anymore. This as well. Actually, I can recycle this here. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so once again, this wave 1, this potential wave 2, as you can see, very, very shallow. And then we're going to have the 3, 4, 5. And this is going to be the light blue, but bigger count. Now also this could be, yeah, let me double check. Yeah, 2, yes. Because yeah, some of my friends, they said, could it be that this would be just the A, we're doing overshooting wave B and C for this light blue count? Yeah, it's possible, but it would make more sense to keep it like this. And I actually want to add the 0.236, and it would just give us a very shallow wave 2, which, you know, Bitcoin, it rarely give really deep correction. Sometimes it does happen and people freak out and sell at loss, some, and that's unfortunate, right? But majority of the time people are hoping and waiting for the 0.5, 0.618, and then the price just leave without us. So if this is the count that the actual market is doing, this is implying that now we're making a 1, 2, and we should do a third, and a fourth, and a fifth to complete this third wave in light blue bigger count. So as you can see, I did the fib retracement. Just want to double check if it's accurate. Yes, it is. So you can see now, it is important to not lose too much level here. I can keep the 0.5 maybe. Should I do another micro counting? Maybe changing the color though. Okay, here you go. So if I can count this 1 and possible 2, well, now here it's going to have to react we do have the MA 50 and 0.786. So we have confluence of indicators here that could trigger a support. We still have the 0.618 also as a possible support coming. And so let's wait. If the price goes below, what's that, 105,140, then I need to, well, discount this short-term bullish count. It's going to get invalidated. And yeah, then we can really say, okay, maybe this can still be a wave one, and this could be just the A overshooting with B and a C. Now we also have the other count, the blue count, the dark blue count. So all this is the wave one, and this could be just the A wave. As you can see now, A wave tends to go between the 0.236 and the 0.382. So if it does that, first of all, it's going to start to, if it goes and reach the 0.382, in my opinion, it will start to invalidate the bullish short-term count, the yellow count, and it would give us a little bit more clarity. But for the moment, it's really hard to say. So I would pay attention, honestly, at the 106,286. If we lose that level, I will say, yeah, we're more likely doing a bigger correction here, which is great because it will enable us to refuel into Bitcoin if you believe that's a nice strategy, a nice level accumulation. All right, so let me just double check here the RSIs. So RSIs still, well, to me, no brainer. If Bitcoin is oversold in the RSI, I buy on the daily, no problem. 9 times out of 10, I think, or let's say 8 out of 10, it's a winner. And because I do believe we are still not done with this cycle, and I do believe that we're going to reach under 27,000, under 30. So for me, it's not even an issue. So we still have a little bit, I don't know, 18-20% to go up at least. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.